This conference will now be recorded.
Let's start today's session. In the last session of Django, we were discussed just how to work with jQuery. But as I said that you just please ignore jQuery. It's not required at all. But you have to know clearly how to bind the jQuery libraries while collecting from jQuery.com official website, and we have to include that into your HTML page. Now today I'm going to discuss about Bootstrap basics and how to communicate with the Bootstrap website directly by CDN by locally. So as I said that Bootstrap is the most commonly used framework for front-end development. Yes, Bootstrap is one of the most commonly used framework for the front-end development. So as same like Django is the most commonly used web framework for back-end development with Python. Same Bootstrap is the most commonly used framework for front-end development. Bootstrap will provide several predefined libraries for CSS and JavaScript. It's a combination of JavaScript and CSS, both it is. Bootstrap will provide several predefined libraries for CSS and JavaScript. Bootstrap is completely free front-end web framework for faster and easier web development process. Bootstrap also gives the ability to easily create responsive design. The main advantage of Bootstrap is to create responsive design clearly here. Okay, yes. So I think all of you got my voice. You are getting my voice. Can you please confirm anyone? Hello?
Yes,
Yes, yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's okay, it's okay, fine, fine.
Oh, it's good. Yeah. Thank you.
So now coming to this, so Bootstrap is the most important for Django web development. Better to concentrate more on Bootstrap. So, but to use Bootstrap, no need to write any code from scratch because there is a facility. There is a separate website is there that is called getbootstrap.com website. So most of the web designers, those who wants to make their web application look and feel is better, they will not write code from scratch because it's take a lot of time. So that's what most of the cases we used to get that complete stuff. Okay, complete stuff uh, from getbootstrap.com only. Look at this here, getbootstrap.com here. This is the official website. Getbootstrap.com official website it is. So from this website only we can collect. Sir, how to use the libraries? Bootstrap is the combination of two things, no? One is CSS libraries and JavaScript libraries, JS libraries. CSS, JS, both libraries are there. Bootstrap is completely free front-end framework. So let's communicate with getbootstrap.com. What is the advantage of getbootstrap.com means, as I said in the last session, that is responsive design. Responsive design means according to, uh, for example, here I'm trying to, just a moment. This is now, just let's go to Google. Getbootstrap.com, I'm trying to type here in the Google search. So simply getbootstrap.com. So whenever I try to minimize this website also designed Bootstrap through only. So look at this minimize. After that minimize, automatically content is adjustable. So when I try to open any website in our mobile device, according to mobile screen, the content is going to be adjustable, auto adjust, auto responsive. This is auto responsive design. Automatically menu items also adjusted in the sidebar. And when we expand this, now we can see the menu items are automatically adjusted into menu bar. So this is completely Bootstrap importance, responsive design we are going to do with the Bootstrap, sir. So whatever the examples you need, okay, that examples directly we can collect from docs. DOCS is there, no docs. In this docs left hand side, whatever the topic you need, that topic you can click on it and directly you can use that topic code only with little or no modification according to your requirement. But I need to connect the Bootstrap link. I need to add Bootstrap to my Django project. So previously we were discussed clearly how to add JavaScript jQuery libraries. Okay, jQuery libraries into your HTML document. Simple by locally by CDN. Similarly here today also I'm trying to show you how to add Bootstrap libraries to your HTML document by locally and through CDN. For that I'm creating one HTML template index3.html. So I can say HTML template is clearly created. So here I want to add Bootstrap library by locally by CDN. First we have to download Bootstrap bundle. So how to download Bootstrap bundle means the moment when we go to home page, look at this. This is the home page. Automatically it is there here. You can see in the home page itself, current version 5.3.0 and click on download here. Once we click on download, you will be able to see two links. Observe two links. So download ready to use compiled code for Bootstrap and to easily drop into your project, which includes compiled and minified CSS bundles, CSS files comparison, compiled and minified JavaScript plugins, JavaScript comparison. You just try to download it. Now, once you click on download, you'll be able to get complete Bootstrap bundle CSS with JavaScript. Once we got this downloading, so what we need to do, just to minimize this, okay, and go to download folder. Let's go to downloads folder. Now in this download folder, this is called a rar file, means zip folder. Look at this compressed zip folder it is. You have to extract this one. So right click on it. Simply, I need to extract it is. So go to WinRAR. So extract here only. Okay, extract here only. So now you can see here Bootstrap 5.3.0. This is the folder. Double click on it. Now you can see CSS folder is there, JS folder is there. This is CSS folder, this is JS folder, JavaScript folder. So now coming to this, double click on CSS, lot of CSS files are available here. So cascading style sheet, minified version, okay, all files are there, but better to use this one direct file or minified version also you can use. I'm copying this bootstrap.com minified version. Let's copy this. Directly I'm adding into my HTML page. This is called by locally, sir. In the header section, we have to add this one. We have to add this one. Sorry, I have to copy and paste into where, sir? In the web, in the project. Yes, here I have downloaded. No, this file I need to copy this. Copy this one and go to your Django project templates folder. Paste it here. Simple. Minified version bootstrap min.css. Look at this here. Bootstrap .min.css file. We have added successfully bootstrap.min.css to your HTML project. So once we added project, now similarly we have to go to back here and there is a JS folder also there in the Bootstrap folder. Double click on JS and JS also I'm going to use minified.js, bootstrap.min.js only. Copy this one and this one you can copy minified.js. Yes, copy this one and go to your project again and right click on templates, paste it here. So minified.js, JS file also available. Okay, so once we have JS file bootstrap.min.js, bootstrap.min.css, so this is locally available under our project. So once we have, then you know how to attach this by locally. So I'm using first here by locally, I'm attaching by locally here. Now here you can see by locally I'm attaching, I'm using this by locally bootstrap.min.js and CSS. You know how to attach any local CSS file. Link is there. src equals sorry href equals to href equals to what? Bootstrap.min.css rel relational equals to style sheet compulsory. This is what by locally adding CSS file. And at the same time, if you want to use JS file also, then script tag is required. Inside the script tag, src attribute equals to bootstrap.min.js. Yes. After that, type equal to text to JavaScript like this. It's already we know that. So this is the way to add Bootstrap CSS link, Bootstrap JS link, which is downloaded from official website and I have included into my Django project templates folder clearly. Okay, yes. Suppose in case if you want to add through CDN, sir, I don't want to download these files all directly. I want to provide link, Bootstrap link from my HTML page to Bootstrap link directly means simply we can go for what? By CDN. I'm using by CDN. Okay, by CDN. So this is what exactly. How to add by CDN means simple. Go to your Bootstrap official website again. Now you can see this is the Bootstrap official website homepage only. You just scroll down little bit in the left right hand side corner of your window. Include via CDN is there. Yes, look at this. The links are already available. Simply what we need to do, just click on this link. Click on copy the clipboard here, this one total link, and simply go to your website and paste it here. Template. This is what through CDN. Through CDN I have added what? Bootstrap.min.css file. Same through CDN we have to add what? Bootstrap.min.js. Look at this JS file it is. Click on this link, copy, include via CDN link is there. No? Links I am copying just from the official website bootstrap.com and paste it. So bootstrap.min.js file also added because Bootstrap is the combination of CSS as well as JavaScript. So either you can use this one, sir, or we can use this one, sir. Simple way. Once we have added this one, so that from here onwards we can use in your HTML body, okay, description, content of the website, Bootstrap effect will come automatically. How it will come Bootstrap effect? Because of already I have loaded Bootstrap min.js, Bootstrap min.css. Okay, suppose imagine that this is normal button, just an example I'm telling. This is normal button. So submit I'm taking here. Submit. So this is normal button submit. Or else this button creation different ways are there. Let me show you one way. This is normal button. It's a normal button. Look at this. It's a normal button or not? Yes. But sir, I don't want to make this button as normal button. So what I want to do, just I want to click on this browser. Yeah, it's a normal button. Normal button it is. Fine. But I want to make this as a bootstrap button. So how to I make this bootstrap button means classes are there. Bootstrap classes. BTN primary. Look at this BTN primary. Once I have included BTN primary here, BTN primary, sorry, BTN primary, then automatically this will be what actually look at this bootstrap button here. This is got my point. Bootstrap button only here. But like this, so many classes are there. Bootstrap, BTN, what actually secondary here. So now this time you can see refresh this browser and secondary button. And sometimes if you want to delete the item, any item in the Django project also, danger we can use BTN danger. Sometimes do you want to update our warning message if you want to provide, then BTN warning is there. These are the button. How these all buttons will come? Yes, simply which is coming from Bootstrap only, sir. Look at this. Either you can use this one, this style, or else we can use input elements also there. No, look at this. Input type equals to submit. Okay. Now you can see value equals to submit. This is my button control. Same this also. Is this Bootstrap again? No, it's not Bootstrap again. It's again normal button only. Do you want to make this as Bootstrap? Means here inside this we have to use class BTN primary or BTN uh, warning success means green color it will appear now. So this is the Bootstrap success here. This is not Bootstrap, just a moment. So btn success. Yes. Let's run this. Now this time bootstrap success button is there. So this we can write manually. Okay, whatever, if you know how to write manually, you can write it. But most of the cases, what we can do, we can get this all facilities directly from getbootstrap.com website only. There is official website, no, getbootstrap.com official website is there, official website. What is that official website? This is, in this official website, do you want to get directly the code from this website, means you can click on docs you have to click. And after that, left hand side, so many options are there which is required really into your Django project or anyway directly can use. For example, if you are working with buttons, so I can search buttons here. Look at this, buttons are there, components, buttons like this. And now you can see, click on buttons. What button do you want? That button directly you can able to use it. Look at this, so many buttons are there. So button type equal to button, class equals to btn primary. Button type equal to button, class equal to btn secondary, btn danger. Do you want to copy this? Also you can use it completely. For example, I want to see this style, total style, all buttons, primary button, secondary button, success, danger, warning, info, light, all. Just simply copy this link. Okay, I'm not doing any changes. I'm not at all writing any code. Simply you can click on copy this link. After copy this link, what we can do, simply go to your body section of your HTML page. Now paste it now. Look at this, all our code is coming directly. No need to write. The moment when we hit this run button, then automatically you will get this all options: primary, secondary, success, danger, warning, info. But just I'm showing example, but are not required all the buttons. According to your requirement, you can choose right one, which one is required. Some, most of the cases in reality, at the time of development, if something is going to deleted or record deletion purpose, we use this one only. Or if you want to show something successful message, means then insert purpose, create purpose, we use this one only. Or warning or alert purpose, updation purpose, this we can use it. But mostly primary or secondary button you can use. And do you want to provide facility link with the moment when I click on link, it should go to somewhere, some location, means then bootstrap link button is recommended. So these are just the buttons. Let me prepare a table now. Okay, right now you can see this. I need to prepare one table, sir. Let me prepare table. So bootstrap table I'm preparing. So let's, normal table, you know how to prepare it. So normal table, how it will be, table tag. Okay, normal table, bootstrap table. It's not a bootstrap table, sir. Right now I'm working with normal table only. Okay, normal table. So table is there. Okay, table is there. But in this table inside, what I need to take, just tr is there. Tr, that means what we can say, first t head I can take. T head means table head. Inside the table head, tr I'm taking. Inside the tr, th I'm taking. Suppose id, just normal program. Now you can say id is there. Copy and paste like this. Id, name, address, like age. These are the table headings. Normal table. You just try to consider this. So after that, I'm taking one more. T body is there. T body. Table heading is after T body. I'm taking table body. T body is optional, not compulsory required. So in this, I'm using one more tr. In this, I'm taking td. Td means table data. ID number one. Let me include multiple records. Name is just open. Press no age. Let's take one more tr, sir, because multiple rows I need inside. Let's copy paste here like this. Okay, just names separate, and give this IDs also separate, 3 and 4, and so this is exactly what I want to do. Okay, yes, fine. So this is my table, sir. Is this bootstrap table? No, it's not a bootstrap table. It's a normal table. Look at this. I'm going to adjust this table with the border. So there is no border of the table. Border equals to 1. Now look at this. Is this bootstrap table? No, sir. It's not a bootstrap table. It's a normal table. Okay. Yes. But I want to make this table as a bootstrap table. How do we make? Means simple. Total table script. You can copy this, cut this, and let's make a division section here. div division. In this division, I'm using bootstrap class container. After that, I'm keeping this total table inside the division, and now you can see here table is not a bootstrap table. Let's make this table is also bootstrap table. Okay, table striped, bordered, hovered, content, pan. So many table options are there. Which option do you want? You can use. I want to go for table border. Now you can see table border. It's a bootstrap table. Let's run this one. Now this time you can see it is going to be bootstrap table only. This is bootstrap table. How it is look like, we can see. What is the advantage of bootstrap table? The moment when I minimize this window, look at this. I'm going to suppose if I open this website into my mobile device, my mobile screen is obviously small. According to that screen, it is automatically adjusted. So auto adjustment is there. This is called responsive design. We can say that when we go for bootstrap, this responsive design will be there. So that's what advantage of bootstrap tables like this. And if I go for table striped. So if I go for striped means what is this? You can see striped option is there. This is striping, this is striping, this is not striping. And if I go for table, what actually dark table is the dark option, dark theme. So let's keep dark theme like this table. So many options are there. This is the bootstrap table. Even if you want to change background color of your body color, then styling you can apply background color. You can see background color. I'm using color. So any look and feel you can make your website window according to your color combination with the bootstrap links. So table over I'm taking. Over means what? The moment when we place mouse pointer on the record, that is going to be highlighted. Look at this. It is highlighted. Mouse over option is there. So this table is look and feel is more better compared to normal table. The main advantage of bootstrap is responsive design only clearly. So this kind of things we are going to take lot of things like that. Okay, lot of things. So normal buttons are there, and even spinner buttons also there. Spinner button means lot of spinner buttons will come from bootstrap. Suppose here I'm taking uh, let's see, close this, and I'm taking one normal bootstrap styling here. Let's close this, and as I'm saying that no need to write code from scratch. Okay, so directly you can collect the information what you want, how you want to make appear your website HTML templates. Directly you can collect the stuff from bootstrap.com, getbootstrap.com only. Here I'm just moving towards getbootstrap.com. So just get bootstrap.com website, official website. Click on docs. Left hand side there are so many options are there. You can see this. Suppose you are working with images. Okay, if you are working with images, then you can click on images option here. There is an images option where in the left hand side panel you have to check completely all images. So these are the images. So do you want to make appear the images like this responsive image? You can go for responsive image. Okay, image fluid alternate attribute is that this code is required. And if you want to go for thumbnails image, so thumbnails image means I want to go for thumbnails image. For example, let's keep this responsive image here. I'm going to copy this code. Simple, sir. This image src class image name alternate message that you can automatically modify that. I'm trying to copy and paste it. So src means there is no images. So there is images are there. Now you can see rc.jpg. So image class is img fluid is there. Alternate I'm taking no image. If I get any image address is wrong, I can get this no image. Look at this, the image by default is looking like this one. It's a responsive image. Now even if I try to scroll down and up, that image is going to be response. Look at this. Wait a minute. Now you can see automatically responsive. Let's go to here, and if you want to display thumbnail image size, so image size automatically you can mention, sir. Here, just a moment, I want to show you image size option. Here you can see look at this. Let's go to here again. Okay, I close up the window. Look at this, these are the images. Okay, max width, height, auto to scroll the image, the parent width, like this only, main width automatically you can use it. But here I'm going to use this one, sir. Here 200 into 200 image size I'm taking. So let's see this type of image you want. You can see image thumbnail, that automatically classes are there, no bootstrap classes that make images adjustment automatically. So I'm using that style images. So image class is img thumbnail, alternate, no image I'm taking. Image name is like this, okay, rc.jpg. Once I execute this one, so according to this thumbnail image is there. According to image, look at this, some side corner is adjusted, thumbnail format it is images here, but previously it was not. Okay, but the original image size is too big actually, that's what it is going to be appear like this. You can automatically decrease the size of the image originally. The location, you can go to image and open the paint and adjust that height and width, automatically it will adjust. Okay, now suppose if you are working with the not images, sir, I want to animate image, sliding images I need. Sliding images in the sense, here you can see there is an option called carousel. So there is an option called carousel. I'll show you that what is that carousel, how to work with them. So let's minimize this. Just go to docs. Let's forms. Yes, this is the carousel components option, carousel. Click on this. You just try to look into once, because whenever we are going to upload images in our Django projects, we will follow these techniques clearly. So look at this image, look like you want sliding, first slide, second slide, third slide, like this. You can use this code only, simply copy and paste it, this code. And if you want to go for indicators, so images with indicators, look at this, in the bottom indicators are there. You are in which image, third image, second slide, first slide is active, like this, second slide is active. This type of code do you want, you can simply copy this code, sir. What code? This code only. You can see this. Can you able to write this code for making that? No. So that's what most of the uh, web designers or web developers will do. What, directly they will visit this bootstrap.com website, official website, and simply they can take what, actually copy this link, and they will inject this code into their HTML template, and according to their requirement they can adjust this. Look at this. This is completely new code, but I am going to adjust this. I am going to use rc.jpg, and here you can see some images I have. These images I'm taking just two images. Do you want more images? We can also copy this one more image, and multiple images here. Already three images are there, so I'm taking these are the images. Let's directly run this, but here images sizes are too big actually. That's what, look at this. Here I'm going to have the slide option, right slide. Now you can see second slide, and even now you can see third slide, it's coming now this time. This is but your image should be minimum. We can adjust that image manually also. So this sliding is available directly. Okay. For more details, we'll go through our project actually, but just I'm showing how we can able to get the code from Bootstrap official website and how to inject this into our HTML template. Okay, suppose you are developing a Django project. In Django project, you need to take some main menu. Main menu in the sense common template design is there. No? Template design means something like header section is there. So that header section clearly available in this nav bar. Look at this navigation bar is there. Nav bar is there. Navigation bar in the sense navigation means moving from one web page location to another location within the same website or in different website. That is completely nav bar only here. Nav bar. So this kind of navigation bar do you want? Then you can use this one only. Okay, here you can see this one. Got my point here. So click on copy this directly. You just go to your HTML template and simply you can replace with this. So no need to write complete code from scratch. The advantage is what? This is only code reusability is there. Already getbootstrap.com website is officially providing the code to you that we are going to using. Now you can see this is completely navigation bar. So your nav bar is there, but links are not provided. So if you want to provide links, you can use href tag only. Okay, like this. Suppose here someone is asking question. Use of division means to divide your web page content. Okay, so yes, if you want to divide portions, div means what? Division. So some content I want to make present in one division and some other content I want to make present in other division. So more divisions, more look and feel is better. So because same kind of options I cannot include in the same division tag, no different division tag I need. In that context, we
So,
can go for division. Tell me.
so on the home page, if I want to create four pictures on a different area, one on the top right, one on the top left, and bottom,
Yes,
and
yes.
then how I can divide that, how I can use that division in that case.
See, we can't division is that is we have to apply manual CSS rules again. Layout sections are there again. See, we are
Okay.
not going to be we are not going to be web designers. That's what we are not going to concentrate much more on design. We are going to become a Django developer, means web developer. Developer means roles and responsibilities. What coding, more coding skills is required. But we are not going to be do Photoshop and designing all these things, website adjustment like this. That's what we are going to depend on directly. Get bootstrap.com built-in code is there that we are collecting and directly binding into our website. Look at this, I'm using navigation bar here. So this type of navigation bar do you want to use in your website? Directly template is available now bar which I collected from bootstrap.com. So if see this type of things might be we are going to see in every web pages. Whatever the website is there, that information do you want to search for the website? You can type search and click on search. This is non-functional. And here you can see drop down menu is there, link menu is there, home menu is there. These are completely not at all provide links. Look at this, in this link there is no link is provided. If you want to provide any link, you can go to link also here. Suppose I'm trying to provide this nav bar here. Home page is there, home link. Where is that nav bar? Nav bar here. Just I'm using Flipkart. I'm taking here, and here I'm going to use https flipkart.com website. This link will come. You can adjust that automatically. So there is a navigation bar, and after that when we move to here, you can see this, refresh the page, automatically it will be flipkart.com. Look at this. I'm trying to run this one. Here I have adjust Flipkart. So look at this Flipkart. The moment when I click on Flipkart, it will go to flipkart.com directly. So as simple as that here. Because normally bootstrap.com will provide only code. According to that code, according to your requirement, you have to adjust the code. This look and feel. If you click on home means home page, I want to go to our home.html page. Where is your home.html page? Actually, that is available in your Django project. So look at this home.html page is there. Home page, I think it's not there. Yeah, it's there. Home page is there. No, home page. This is home page like this. It will go. You can
So if
provide
I
link.
want to if I want
Hmm.
to create a if I want to if I want to show display two link, one is Flipkart and one is other website, so can
Hmm.
I have to use two, I can use two elements, right? Two HTML
Yeah,
element, can I?
two. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, we can use. We can see one thing is already we have used. Look at this anchor tag is one
Okay.
is there. This one and this one more thing is there here. There is a home is there. Home section. If you want to go to, for example, any other web page you want, Facebook, you can see. I'm writing here Facebook, and I can provide Facebook link here. Any number of links we can prepare. That is your wish. Here I'm using Facebook.com website link also. If we use this link, it will go to Facebook. If we use this one, it will go to Flipkart. The code is raw code is there. That raw code you can able to modify, adjusting. So complete code according to requirement. Look at this. Flipkart is there. Facebook is there. So many links are there. Let's click on it. Facebook.com. It will visit, and you can see this Flipkart.com. You have to provide the link. So as much as, but if you want to do normal with plain HTML the same requirement, it will take a lot of time obviously, because we have to write anchor tag, we have to prepare the menu bar preparation with normal HTML. It's take a lot of time and making functional. So because, but making simplification only, bootstrap people are giving this type of code direct codes are available. Look at this layouts, containers, grids, columns, utilities, like that. Suppose if I go for grid option, that will provide for us columns how to display. Do you want to display your columns like this? Then they are providing that code clearly here. Simply. Okay. Yes. So this code is clearly available. How it will work means directly we are copying this code. So many layouts are available. According to your requirement, you can use it. Suppose sometimes in Django we need to bring lot of multiple records from database. All multiple records will come. Suppose 100 records are there. 100 records at a time it will display. But sir, I don't want to display 100 records at a time onto my pages, because it takes what actually scroll down more and scroll up and down more we need to do, because to see many records. But I want to make arrange that 100 records which will come from my database or model, and page wise I have to display page wise. Page wise means pagination concept is there. Look at this pagination. How we can provide means this is pagination. Simple pagination. So many pagination styles are there. Pagination means each record, how many records do you want to display each page, you can decide. That is called pagination concept. Just now I have shown pagination. Let's see this. Everything is available. You have to use this. What option you need? You can see pagination option is there. Click on this pagination. What style of pagination do you want? This style, previous, next, numbers button. You can use this code directly. Look at this. UL tag is there. This is the HTML code only. Because as I said that Bootstrap means it's a combination of CSS and JavaScript. But though it is a Bootstrap is the combination of CSS and JavaScript, jQuery, Bootstrap are advanced UI technologies that are designed by using HTML, CSS, JavaScript only. That's what all tags are included. You can see UL tag, LI tag already, which we discussed okay previously. So here if I copy this code here directly into my web page, okay, HTML page. So pagination concept directly will come. So we don't have any link right now, but it will work. Look at this. Here I'm using this code. Class page item, anchor tag. Each item is having a link and href is there clearly like this. Okay, this is completely pagination items. One, two, three. Next, previous options are there. Once I run this, you can see you are getting look and feel like this. First page when we click, first page record will come. Second page when we click, second page record will come. Third page, next previous page, you can go back to previous page, you can move to forward to next page like this. These are all pagination. But whenever we have to display each page multiple records, this is better. 100 pages, 100 records to display one time, it's not looking good. 100 records we can divide. Each page 10 records means first page user will go, second page user will go like this. In the banking application, mainly more pages are there. So because customer details are lot, so then obviously they can split the records, divide into according to their requirement. So that is pagination concept is there. And progress bars are there. Look at this. Progress bars means whenever you are downloading and uploading files, if you want to go for status, how much percentage, look at this kind of things we can see this generally. Usually whenever we install any project or whenever we install any software, then look at this percent, this option is available here. So automatically it is not responsive, this is going to be work. So in our, and which color also you want, you can decide like this. So many options are there. Sometimes you will see this striped progress bars also, like spinners also there. Spinners means whenever we open any file, the file is taking lot of time, in the sense it takes moving towards like this only. Colors of the spinners also there. Very simple code here. This code you can also write it clearly. Just directly copy this code, and in one division section you can paste into here in your HTML page. That spinner code will directly will be appear into your HTML page. So this spinner will be there. So it's make ultimately what I'm saying, Bootstrap will provide us ready-made resources, means directly ready to use options here. Okay, yes. So this is about Bootstrap. And now you can see there are card item is there. Card item, card means again images, whatever you want to display, this kind of images we can display like this. Look at this, I'm going to copy this code, and this also look and more is better, because multiple profiles, employee profiles or student profiles, do you want to display in one page multiple profiles, then we can go for this profiles. Okay, for example here I'm taking, this is image. Now once I run this, automatically image details will display like this. Look at this, multiple profiles are there. Yes, card title. Now you can see this is card title, and go somewhere like this, click on this. So it is completely thumbnails. It's title card it is. More titles card do you want, you can apply more title cards also like this. So let me copy this one more, and I'm placing into one more division. In this one more division, you can see this, I'm using this image. Now this time you can card title also we can give this. Moment when I run this, now you can see more card titles are available here. Okay, yes. So you can automatically adjust this title. So each and every division section is completely different, sir. So not only this, multiples are there. Look at this, whatever you want according to website designing, this Bootstrap will provide us with readily used resources. Directly you can able to reuse it instead of implementing from scratch. That's what, no need to. Nowadays no web designer will write this much of lengthy code. Okay, they will directly collect the code according to their requirement. They can adjust the code and make it uh, web designing is look and feel is more better. These are all available things which can be coming from this links only. But make sure that if I use this Bootstrap code in my HTML body section, but even if you don't link up this locally and CDN, okay, bootstrap.min.css, min.js, it won't work, sir. Obviously. So these links are important here. Here I am providing these links through CDN through locally. That's what it's working fine. If we don't have any links here, then it will not work. Compulsory Bootstrap means you have to add the links, but there is no link is available right now. Look at this. The moment when I go to here, now you can see normal look and feel only. Is that Bootstrap? No, it's a normal look and feel. So that is important. Bootstrap working compulsory, you have to add CSS files, JavaScript files through CDN or by local. Anyone you can use it here. So these are all about basics of our UI. Okay. So if you want to concentrate on UI technologies, better to concentrate on Bootstrap or JavaScript basics. Remaining jQuery, HTML, CSS, it's normal. Even some nowadays CSS also they don't use, because CSS, if you want to use normal simple background color or images or something like that, we can write manual CSS, no problem. But huge designing purpose, CSS is not recommended, because whatever the CSS is providing, Bootstrap only providing clearly. That's where we will not recommend to use CSS. So this is our complete UI basics. From tomorrow onwards, we will completely focus on Django. Once I recollect the information, that means model view template, I will create one new application with model view template, so that you will get clarity. So we will focus on completely Django sessions only. What is post method, get method, how to communicate with the database, how to get the records, how to post the records, how to work with HTML forms, how to work with the Django forms. Everything we will discuss clearly with the Django. Okay, so we will speed up the sessions, and from today onwards, I'm going to take complete regular sessions. Even today also, I'm not at my home because of due to internet issues. I just came to my relative homes. From there, I'm taking. So one thing is for sure, because even we are going to feel bad when we cancel the sessions, no? So how you feel more responsible? Even I have more responsibilities. For you, you are attending only one session. Think about my side, how I feel about my all session. Daily, I used to take 10 online sessions. So if I cancel 10 online session, means how I can feel my side. Okay, so because of the things will be bad here, situation is bad. So hope you understand that. So finally, what I'm saying, ultimately, wantedly, I'm not going to cancel the session for sure. Which even my side also, I need to take the regular session so that I'll finish the concept and I can go for new batch. No, why we need to make this delay and dragging all these things? So hope you understand that it won't be happen again coming days mostly. That's what I decided that. So this batch I will take continuously. Even there is no holiday for Sunday also. You just come Sunday also. See you tomorrow again.
Mohan, I wrote a question on the message. Can you check that, please?
Here, just a moment. Bootstrap is important. Yes, yes, exactly. Nowadays, but previously, even simple styling and simple coloring options or background changes or something, we can write in one line CSS script on the flow. But most of the cases we used to go with Bootstrap only.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Hello, hello.
Hello.
Can you hear me, sir?